Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. So if you watched my last video, I did questions and answers with did. For example, with the question, did you sleep well? You can say an affirmative answer such as, yes, I slept well. Or you can also say, yes, I did. Or if you want to say a negative answer, it can be, no, I didn't. Or, no, I did not sleep well. Today's lesson is on be questions in the past simple tense. A quick example of this is, were you at the meeting? You can say, yes, I was. Or no, I wasn't. Or give an explanation, such as, no, I wasn't, because I had a doctor's appointment. So let's see how we make questions in the past simple tense with be. We need was or were plus the subject plus the rest of the sentence. For example, was I thinner and healthier last year? Was he thinner and healthier last year? Was she thinner and healthier last year? Was it snowing last night? Were you approved for a mortgage? Were they approved for a mortgage? Were we approved for a mortgage? Was the movie good? Yes, it was really funny. Was it a scam? Was Bradley late for work? No, he wasn't. He's usually on time. You can add question words in front of was or were to make open questions. For example, with the question word who, you can say, who were you speaking to? I was speaking to my manager. With where were her bags? They were on the back seat of her car. Why? Why was she so rude? She was rude because she hasn't slept well for some time now. When? When was Robert supposed to start work? He was supposed to start on Tuesday, but it's postponed to next Friday. How? How was work? It was wonderful, as usual. What? What were they telling you? They were telling me that there's a meeting after work. Time for a quick activity. Read the instructions and do the following 2 activities. You can pause this video if you need more time. Answers are given after each activity. Good luck!